Road Glide day in the South Bay. Got a new project in the house. 2005 Road Glide game. Phoenix Gold SX 5.25, 6x9s, Orion horn tweeter, Diamond Audio Amplifier, and Alpine Bluetooth stereo. Got the Alpine stereo installed already. Programming the handle controls right now. Running the wires for the AMS quick disconnect. Shrink wrap, metal loom, amplifier in place, dynamite holding down the wires. Wires ran underneath the gas tank. Got the Phoenix Gold 5.25 put in the fairing.
The rear is insanely loud. I recommend it to install the SX tweeters, super glued, flush mount in the rear. You can't see them in the front like you see. Check out the front, can't see it. All right, thank you.
Real talk. West, y'all. Dig it, y'all.
Hey, AudioMotorsports. Hey, that's what you want to come to. You guys did a great job, man. I'm satisfied. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Okay, now we got some action. Everything I'm said it happened. That was like Michael Jackson. But I'm versus keep it black. Chasing women in distraction. They want me to live in a I hate a rapper special. They feel the same, but they hide it.